Hello everybody. Today I'm going to introduce you the HemoCue Cleaner. This is basically used for cleaning the HemoCue machine ranges. You can see this. This is how the basically in one pouch you get 5 pieces of the cleaner. This is how it looks like. You can see this pouch. This is how the pouch looks like. This is how the pouch comes. 5 pieces will come in each pouch. You can see this here. I'm just going to open one pouch for you. I'll take one piece of the cleaner, and inside the cleaner you get HemoCue voucher. You can see this here. I can show you. You can see this. This is HemoCue Cleaner. You can see the lot number and also the expiry date for this cleaner. Basically, this can store in the room temperature. Other side, you can see the other side. Okay, this is how it looks like. In one pouch you can get 5 pieces. I'll just show you the brochure inside. HemoCue Cleaner is intended for cleaning the optical parts of the following HemoCue analyzers photometers: HP201, HP201DM, HP301, plasma low HB, glucose 201, glucose 201 plus, and glucose 201 DM, glucose 201 RT, and glucose 201 DM RT, and albumin 201. You can see this here. It says the storage conditions. HemoCue Cleaner can be stored at 0 to 50 degree for a short period of time, up to 5 weeks. You can see the reagents. Insertion for use is given here, and this is manufactured in Sweden. Here I can show you how the cleaner is used. This is how the cleaner will look like. You can see this is how the each of this pouch has this cleaner stick. You can see this here. This stick you can feel. Okay. You can see how to use the stick. You can see this here, how they mentioned. I can show this to you actually. You can see. Okay, just quickly to summarize, today we have introduced you the HemoCue Cleaner product, which is used for all the ranges of HemoCue machines. Thank you.